Midnight Raven here. Today we're going to do an unboxing. As you know, I love unboxings. This isn't a Halloween themed unboxing, but it is a boxing nonetheless. It's for the October pink parcel. Obviously this is the packet it comes in. It comes in a mailer. It's obviously not Halloween themed unboxing, but I still need to unbox it because it is one of my regular videos that I do every month. So if you don't know what Pink Parcel is, it's a feminine subscription. You can have pads or you can have tampons or a mixture of both. It comes out every month and it's $12.99. Contains a range of extra treats as well. So for a change, my box is actually sealed. That doesn't happen very often. My box is usually unsealed. They do have a website and they do have what I'd call a junior box, which is called Betty box. I will link descriptions down for that. It's basically I would say it's more the teenager box, and this is the more adult box. So if you have a teenage girl who's just starting her period, or you want an introduction to tampons, and that Betty box is the one to go for. The Pink Parcel is more an adult one, but I suppose you could get either. Inside you will find everything that falls out. So we will start with the pads and that, and then we will go on to the good stuff. So we've got loads of leaflets as well. We'll get to that. So for the night, you obviously have pads. Pads is the only option at night because you shouldn't wear tampons at night. So you should only wear pads only because they should be changed anything up to 2 or 3 hours. Pads can last maybe 4 or 5 overnight, which is why you shouldn't use tampons, because you shouldn't have them in for more than 4 hours before you change them. And then you get your for later box, which I actually changed mine this month to a different one. I'm actually going to just get tampons from now on. I'm actually thinking of changing it again. This month we got a cute little bag. Usually we just get a normal black drawstring bag, but this one is all kind of decorative. I'm guessing it's to do with the theme maybe. Then you get your little pads. This is basically for like your starter when you first come on, and then you get your pads. You can choose your pads. You can choose the make. You can choose the absorbency of them. You can choose all of that. So there are many options on the website where you can choose what you actually get. This one says one for you, one for her, Betty box. So this is the Betty box I was talking about. This is the more teenage style box. Betty box contains everything your daughter, young sister or young niece needs to get through her first period. With all her period essentials plus £35 worth of beauty and skincare, which is the For You box, which you get. You do get a For You box in the Betty box as well. She loves Betty box, and then I've got a code here to treat her to a Betty box for $7.99. So that's pretty cool. So treat her to her first box for $7.99. There's a code there. It says First Betty. If you use that, you can get your first box for $7.99. I don't get nothing for that. It's just the code that's in every box. Like I said, it's more of a teenage box. This is more the adult box. I would say it's more adult entailed. Welcome to the Bareface Beauty Edit. So this month's theme, they do have tend to have a theme each month, and then you get the list of all the products. And then on the back, sometimes you get a sneak peek of next month. The shop highlight this month is Lord and Berry. They do have an online shop as well. And then our gift to you, simply answer a few questions about the products via the survey that they send you to your inbox, and as a thank you, we'll provide you with £5 to spend on in their pink shop. So if I go on their website now and answer this little survey, I'll have £5 to spend on their pink shop, which is pretty cool. So let's check out the items. There's their social media for you. There's your social media. So let's take a look in the box. So this is the For You box. This is the treats. So this is where the money is. The tampons and the pads are quite expensive, but with the box being $12.99, this is where the exciting part comes in. So let's go for this one. And this is this month's Heroes. This is the Organic Pharmacy Rose Facial Cleansing Gel. Looks like this. This says Mud Maske. This is the wrong one. It's this one, actually. I picked up the wrong one. This is the Organic Pharmacy Cleansing Gel in Rose. Oh, it's got that nice, I want to say off-rose smell. This is a small amount of gel and water and massage into your skin. So that's kind of cool. I've had loads of organic pharmacy products before. This is obviously a sample size. A full-size bottle, which is 100 mils, is actually £49. It's very expensive. You can get this at Pink Parcel as well. The second item is the Kawaii Brush Cleaner in purple. And this is the Lilac Brush Cleansing Egg. If you've never had a cleansing egg before, they're really cool. Actually, I want to open it, but there is a picture here. You see here, you've got these bristles and ribs. Basically, you use your makeup brush up and down the actual cleansing egg, and it's meant to clean them. These are £6.99, and this is the full item. That's kind of cool. I've got absolutely loads of these from other beauty boxes. Then we get to the one where I mistakenly said, so this is the Mud Maske, and this is the Morning Boost Mask. Apply a thin layer of the mask to your face in the morning. A full size of this is actually £60 for 60 mils. This is obviously what you call a travel size or a sample size. Basically, it rejuvenates skin. It's got a coffee smell to it. Ooh. It's also got a Moroccan lava clay and Indonesian flower lift, smooth and energized. Sounds very fancy. Not my kind of thing. I do like mud masks, but it's the fancy words that get me. Then we usually get a tea in each month's box, or a coffee, or something like that. This time we've got Immunity. This is orange and blueberry green tea plus vitamins. It looks like this. It says boost your immune system before flu season with this blend of green tea, orange and blueberry. They are $3.69 for a box of 15. You can get this from teaplusdrinks.com. That's kind of cool. I've never really drunk the teas. I actually have a box over there that has all of them in, and I kind of keep them. Next, we have What's in It for Me aloe vera, witch hazel, and grapefruit extract to cleanse, along with peppermint and rosemary oil to invigorate the skin and cleanse the body. I like how they put it all on there. This is £6 for 250 mils. This is 50 mils, so this is again a sample size or travel size. It's got grapefruit, peppermint, and witch hazel. It's an invigorating cleaner. So that's kind of cool. Next, we've got some hairbands, which I must have had like 5 different kinds of these now. These are the Bandy's Fawn collection, basically the autumn collection. I've had both spring and summer this year. Create a chic updo with this set of snag-free hairbands. Basically, they don't create dents or wrinkles in your hair, apparently, and they're not, when you put your hair up for a long time, they leave a line normally. These are meant to not leave one. So we have 4 different colours. We have a kind of glittery gold, we have a kind of less gold, we have a dark brown, and we have like a light brown. So these are all in autumnal colours. These are $6.95 for the set, and you can actually get the other ones as well. I've got the blue ones, which were for summer, and there were pink ones around Mother's Day, I believe. And then you got some chocolate. So these, Chocolate and Love 2 times orange or sea salt Neapolitans. These are cocoa, more cacao, less sugar, made with certified organic, ethical sourced ingredients. Fall in love with these chocolates that come hand-painted illustrations on the wrapper. So I got orange. I would have preferred to get the sea salt or get one of each, but I got 2 orange. So you've got 2 little squares there. So we got the chocolate, we got the cleanser, the bandies, the other cleanser. You get the tea, you get this one, the mud mask, and the kawaii thing. So you get all of these, all for $12.99. Plus you get your Tampax and everything else. So it is a pretty good deal. I'm not overjoyed by anything in the box really. I suppose the hairbands have come in handy. But I've had this one before. I've had the cleanser before. I've had the organic pharmacy before. I've had a kawaii before. So apart from maybe the mud mask and the hairbands, the chocolate and the tea are kind of the throwaway items. I've kind of had most of the things in this box, which is okay. I mean, it's not everyone's going to have had the box like me before. But like I said, you can go to their website and check out more. And like I said, there's Betty Box. You can also use this code to get your first Betty Box for $7.99 if you have a niece or a daughter or a younger sibling. This one technically could have probably been for both, to be fair. But they do advertise the Betty Box as being more teenager. So we've got that. Then, not forgetting, you get all your Tampax and your pads as well. So it's a pretty good deal for $12.99. So if you want to like and subscribe to me, that would be awesome, and give me a big thumbs up. It's not a Halloween unboxing, but it will come out at Halloween during the October period, because I know it's not Halloween. And it's not an unboxing for Halloween, but I still have to have it come out in October, with it being an October box. So if you haven't already, do like and subscribe, big thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another unboxing. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.